Selling a home is a major financial decision, and if you want top dollar, your property should stand out as one of the best homes in its price range. Before spending money on upgrades, speak with a real estate professional about which improvements actually matter in your local market. Buyer expectations vary depending on neighborhood and price point. First, boost curb appeal. Mow the lawn, trim hedges, pressure wash surfaces, and repair visible exterior problems. Second, deep clean everything. Buyers notice kitchens, bathrooms, windows, carpets, and odors immediately. Third, declutter and pre-pack personal items to help buyers imagine themselves living there. Fourth, paint strategically using neutral colors that appeal to more buyers. Fifth, handle minor repairs like leaky faucets, broken hardware, and squeaky doors. Sixth, improve lighting by replacing bulbs and brightening dark spaces. Seventh, maximize natural light by cleaning windows and simplifying window coverings. Eighth, stage important areas to feel warm and welcoming. Ninth, hide everyday clutter before showings, including laundry, toys, pet supplies, and trash bins. 10th, do not overlook the backyard. Keep outdoor areas clean and inviting. For real estate guidance, call 706-426-1082. For additional tools and seller resources, visit myresidencesold.com.